Hi, everyone. Welcome to Ava Li Law PLLC's estate planning channel. I'm Ava Li, a licensed estate planning attorney in New York. Today, let's talk about what it means to fund a trust, why it's critical, and how to get it done step by step. Plus, we'll address an important question: when should you fund your trust? What does it mean to fund a trust? Funding your trust means transferring ownership of your assets from your personal name into the name of your trust. For example, if you own a home, you'll transfer the title of that home to your trust. If you have bank accounts, you'll rename them to reflect the trust as the owner. Essentially, your trust becomes the legal owner of your assets while you, as the trustee, retain control. Why is funding your trust so important? Many people don't realize that creating a trust is only half the battle. According to New York Estates, Powers, and Trusts Law, Section 71.18 inches New York, a trust become effective once assets are transferred into them. Until then, your trust is essentially an empty vessel. Without funding, the trust doesn't control your assets, which means those assets could still go through probate or be subject to legal challenges. Funding ensures that your assets are managed according to your wishes, bypassing probate, and provides the protection and privacy a trust is designed to offer. When should you fund your trust? This is a common question. When should you transfer assets into your trust? While there is no legal deadline, acting promptly is critical. Delaying funding can leave your assets exposed to probate or prevent the trust from achieving your estate planning goals. The sooner you fund your trust, the better. If you acquire new assets in the future, remember to transfer them into the trust right away. So what are the key steps to funding your trust? Let's break it down step by step. 1. To transfer real estate into your trust, you'll need to prepare and record a new deed with your county recorder's office. The deed will name your trust as the property's owner. 2. For financial accounts, contact your bank or financial institution and request the forms needed to change ownership to your trust. You'll need to provide a copy of your trust documents and follow their procedures to retitle accounts. 3. For items like jewelry, artwork, or collectibles, create a personal property assignment document listing these assets as part of your trust. 4. For retirement accounts or life insurance policies, you won't transfer ownership, but you can name your trust as the beneficiary. 5. If you own a business, transferring it into your trust requires updating ownership records or agreements, such as an operating agreement for an LLC. This step may require specialized legal advice. Here's some common pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Forgetting assets. A common mistake is forgetting to transfer all assets into the trust. For example, a newly purchased car or savings account may be overlooked. 2. Not updating titles properly. Failing to follow legal procedures, such as recording a deed for real estate, can render your transfer invalid. 3. Skipping professional advice. While DIY solutions may seem tempting, improper funding can lead to costly mistakes. Always consult with an attorney or financial advisor. And that's it. Funding your trust is a crucial step in estate planning. Remember, 1. A trust is only effective if you transfer ownership of your assets to it. 2. While there's no strict deadline, it's best to fund your trust as soon as possible. 3. Update beneficiary designations for accounts like retirement funds. 4. Avoid common mistakes by consulting with professionals. If you have specific questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out to our firm Ava Li Law PLLC. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.